Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, we are going to learn 10 basic Windows commands that every beginner should know. We will go step by step, practically, and by the end of this video, you will feel much more confident using the Windows terminal. Now, open Command Prompt. Click on the Start button, type CMD, and press Enter. Alternatively, you can press Windows key plus R, type CMD, and press Enter. Now you are inside the command line environment. For the purpose of demonstration, let us also open the graphical view of the folders. Let me go to the user folder. Command number 1, CD, change directory. The CD command stands for change directory. It allows you to move between folders. Right now, you are likely inside your user directory. Type CD Documents. Then press Enter. If a Documents folder exists inside your current location, you will move into it. Now type dir. Press Enter. You will see the contents of the Documents folder. You can see the same contents when I open the Documents folder. Now let's go back one level. Type cd ... Press Enter. The two dots mean go up one directory. This is extremely useful when navigating back. Now let's jump directly to a specific folder using a full path. Type cdc:\Windows\system32. Press Enter. You have now moved directly to the System32 directory, no matter where you were before. That's how powerful CD is. Command number 2, dir, list directory contents. The dir command shows everything inside the current folder. Simply type dir. Press Enter. You will see files and folders listed. If you want to see hidden files as well, type dir/a. Press Enter. Now even hidden and system files will be displayed. Command number 3, mkdir, make directory. Let's create a new folder. Type mkdir study. Press Enter. Look at Explorer windows. You will see study folder listed. Now let's create nested directories in one command. Type mkdir folder A / folder B / folder C. Press Enter. Now in Explorer you can see that folder A has been created. Double-click and see folder B, then go inside folder B and see folder C has been created as well. This command creates multiple levels of directories instantly. Command number 4, rmdir, remove directory. To remove an empty folder, type rmdir study. Press Enter. You can see the folder is gone. Now type dir. Press Enter. You will see that study is no more there. Now, if a folder contains files inside it, you must use rmdir/s folder A. Press Enter. You will be asked for confirmation. Type Y and press Enter. Be very careful with this command. It deletes everything inside that folder permanently. Folder A is gone. Type dir and see that directory is gone. Command number 5, del, delete files. Let's create a test file first. You can create a simple text file in your current directory using Notepad. In our case, we have created homework text file. Then return to command prompt. Now type del homework.txt. Press Enter. the file will be deleted silently. There is no confirmation message. To verify, type dir. If the file is not listed, it has been deleted. Remember, use this command carefully. Command number 6, copy files. To copy a file to another location, use the copy command. Example: copy file.txt:/esd. Press enter. If the ESD folder exists, the file will be copied there. Command number 7, move files. Unlike copy, the move command transfers the file completely. Type move study.txt:/esd. Press enter. Now, go to C drive and then ESD folder. You will see the file there. Command number 8, type display file content. Let us type some text in homework file. If you want to read a text file directly in the terminal, use type. Type homework.txt. Press enter. The content of the file will appear directly in the terminal window. This is useful for quickly checking logs or configuration files. Command number 9, cls, clear screen. If your terminal becomes cluttered, type cls. Press enter. The screen will clear instantly. This gives you a clean working environment. Command number 10, systeminfo, view system information. Type systeminfo. Press enter. Windows will display detailed system information, including operating system version, processor details, installed RAM, network information. This command is very useful for troubleshooting and checking system specifications. Bonus command, tree, display directory structure. To see a graphical structure of folders, type tree C:\users. Press enter. You will see a hierarchical structure of all folders inside the user's directory. This helps you visualize how folders are organized. Command line skills are powerful. They make you faster, more efficient, and more technically capable. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and I will see you in the next video.